In this video, I'll show you how to install iOS 12 beta on your. Firstly, make sure you're using an iOS 12 compatible device. Next, you'll have to install an iOS beta developer's profile. For that, head over to the link and tap on iOS 12 download button. It will then redirect you to install an iOS beta software profile. Click on install. Tap on install and it will ask you to enter the lock screen passcode to verify, and once you have entered, it will ask you for your consent. Click on install. At this point, you need to restart your iOS device, and once you restart it, head over to settings, general, software update and check for updates. You will see iOS 12 update, and the size of it depends on the model you are using. We are using an iPhone 7 Plus and the update size is 1.43 gigabytes. Once the update is downloaded, tap install and the phone will do its job and will restart to iOS 12. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to back up your important data before installing the beta update. Beta ROMs will have bugs, so it might be unstable. Leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.